A few days ago, Xiaomi officially released its latest foldable mobile phone, Xiaomi Mix Fold 4. This innovative device is touted as the most advanced, lightest, and thinnest foldable phone Xiaomi has ever produced. The Mix Fold 4 will set new standards in the foldable phone market with its impressive specifications and features. This phone boasts several impressive features, most notably claiming the title of the world's thinnest and lightest foldable phone currently available. This article delves into the innovative features of the Mix Fold 4, exploring its design, performance capabilities, camera system, and software advancements. We'll also compare it to its predecessor, the Mix Fold 3, to highlight the significant strides Xiaomi has made in foldable phone technology. The Mix Fold 4 prioritizes both style and durability. It boasts a lightweight, yet robust design achieved through a composite fiber material that offers a 42% increase in strength compared to the Mix Fold 3. This translates to a phone better equipped to handle everyday bumps and dings. It offers an IPX8 rated water resistance. The display on the Mix Fold 4 is truly a sight to behold. Both the inner and outer displays feature a sleek quad-curved design, maximizing screen real estate and providing a more immersive viewing experience. The peak brightness reaches an impressive 1700 nits, making the display easily visible even in bright sunlight. Additionally, both screens boast a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a seamless and responsive user experience. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 features a 6.56-inch AMOLED TCL C8 Plus external screen with a resolution of 2520 by 1080 pixels, a 120Hz refresh rate, LTPO technology, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The internal display is a 7.98-inch foldable Samsung AMOLED E7 screen with a resolution of 2488 by 2244 pixels, also boasting a 120Hz refresh rate, LTPO technology, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The Mix Fold 4 boasts a sleek and lightweight design, weighing only 226 grams. When unfolded, the phone is a mere 4.5 millimeters thin, and when closed, it measures 9.47 millimeters in thickness. This makes it one of the thinnest foldable phones available, offering users a comfortable and convenient experience. One of the standout features of the Mix Fold 4 is its upgraded Xiaomi Keel Hinge 2.0. This new hinge technology reduces the hinge volume by 34% and cuts down the weight by 16%. The hinge is designed to endure up to 500,000 folds without any issues, ensuring long-term durability and reliability. The Mix Fold 4 packs a powerful punch under the hood. It is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, offering top-notch processing power and efficiency, supported by LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This chipset is paired with up to a whopping 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and flawless performance even for demanding applications. Storage options range from a generous 256 gigabytes to a staggering 1 terabytes, providing ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Mix Fold 4 caters to photography enthusiasts with its versatile quad camera system on the back. The main shooter boasts a 23mm equivalent 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS) for capturing stunning photos in any lighting condition. Accompanying the main sensor is a 50-megapixel 2x portrait sensor, 47mm, perfect for capturing detailed close-up shots. For those who love zooming in on distant subjects, the Mix Fold 4 offers a 10-megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom and a 150mm equivalent lens. Rounding out the camera system is a 15mm equivalent 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, ideal for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. For capturing selfies or video calls, the Mix Fold 4 boasts a 20-megapixel front-facing camera on both the inner and outer displays, ensuring high-quality video calls and selfies, regardless of how you're holding the phone. Despite the phone's slim profile, Xiaomi has managed to incorporate a 5100 mAh battery. This is achieved through a stacked cell battery technology, allowing for a larger battery capacity without sacrificing on the phone's sleek design. The Mix Fold 4 also supports both 67-watt wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging, ensuring you can quickly get back to using your phone without long wait times. Connectivity options are equally impressive. The Mix Fold 4 boasts the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology, offering blazing fast internet speeds. Additionally, Xiaomi has integrated a two-way satellite calling feature, a valuable asset for users who venture into remote areas with limited cellular coverage. Xiaomi's custom user interface, HyperOS, has been specifically optimized for the foldable form factor of the Mix Fold 4. This ensures a smooth and intuitive user experience, whether you're using the inner or outer display. One innovative feature is the ability to type in Chinese on the inner display and have it automatically translated into English on the outer display. This is a valuable tool for users who communicate with people who don't understand their language. As we move into the second half of 2024, the foldable screen arms race is sure to intensify. Thin and light is something that manufacturers will have to continue to push for, but it will also lead to product homogenization and the inevitable loss of individuality and differentiation. Obviously, in addition to thin and light, manufacturers need to find more configuration highlights that can emphasize the personality of their brands in order to stand out from the competition. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 has chosen to turn itself into an all-round warrior in an attempt to meet more challenges with a leaner body. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.